pizza! Wow, cool! This is my favorite food. Look, there's cheese here too. I think I should grate it out onto this pizza. You're doing pretty good, Jess. I'm sure this cheese is gonna make my pizza even tastier. Oh yeah, it's divine. Can you hurry up? I'm also really hungry. Whew. Sorry, Andy, but it's my turn. I got an even bigger piece of cheese. It looks so nice on my pizza. That's for sure. I'm already drooling. Pull yourself together, Andy. Maybe you shouldn't watch me eat. But it looks so good. I can't look away. Andy, I've got some good news. Your cheese is here. I'm gonna grate it really fast. Look how much of it there is. Gosh, when will I be done with this? I'm actually getting tired. I guess there's a minus to having such a big portion. Well, then just take a little nap. Yeah, I wouldn't mind getting some sleep. I really need to recuperate. This is our chance. Jess, do you know what I mean? Of course, let's grab that pizza before Andy wakes up. It's so delicious, I can't stop. What a great snack. No! Just one piece of gum? How sad. I got way more. But not as much as mine. Gosh, this is like a dream come true. Wow, Zach, you're really lucky. But I'd better get started. I think I can handle this pretty fast. Let's see how many come in a package. Well, not bad. Time to pamper my taste buds. This tastes really good. Great! Mary, your cheeks are so swollen, you look like you're gonna burst. Hey, no way! For some reason I can't blow a bubble. Don't laugh, I just need to focus. Oops. I accidentally spit out my gum. Ugh, right at me. Put that stuff away. You shouldn't lift food up off the floor. Look at what happened to my chewing gum. Now I need a trash can. I'm gonna throw up. I'm not eating this again. I'm sure that won't happen to me and my gum. Okay, first I gotta get rid of all the wrappers. Definitely don't need those anymore. Now I can try it. Can you really fit all that in your mouth? Don't worry, I know how to handle gum. No way! Why are you just throwing it up like that? To catch it in my mouth. All done. Cool, right? Oh my gosh! Bravo! Now it's time to really work my jaw. Hey, come on, Mary, pull yourself together. You should be able to do this. Oh no! I think I'm choking on it. Help! We have to save her, Zach. Okay, you're kind of hurting me there. Please don't. I can handle this myself. Your gross gum just hit me in the forehead. Ugh! Take it away! It's so disgusting just to touch it. Oh, I think it's fine. Here, I'll just pick it up. So gross! Mmm, yummy. Baby! I hope my gum doesn't fall anywhere. Oh no, it looks like I spoke too soon! Calm down. Everything will be fine. Ooh, thank goodness. I was so nervous. But now how do I get my gum? I'll have to try this again. But this time I gotta be more careful. Oh no! Where'd this fish come from? I told you I wouldn't eat it. Now I'm gonna go find out who did this. They're definitely gonna be in trouble. Hey, Zach. Why are you here? I wanted to find out who this fish belongs to. And I think I already figured it out. Here, Susie, take this. Oh, no.
Jeepers creepers.
Serves you right. What a delicious piece of chewing gum. All right, I found out whose fish it was. Now we can relax. Hey, where'd my gum go? Here, we left you one.
Okay.
Thanks so much. You guys really pulled one over on me. I'm really hungry. Time for a snack. I got a chocolate bar, super! It smells so good. Hey, why does Mary only have food? I want some too. A gorgeous but tiny chocolate bar. Look at this! I I got a whole bunch of chocolate bars. What a stroke of luck. Why'd you put them all in a bowl? So I can melt them. You'll see, it'll be cool. I think that's a great idea. Can't wait to see what's gonna happen. All ready. Now we can see together. Whoa, a whole bowl of hot chocolate. It's really easy to eat with a straw. So yummy. I'm so glad I gave this a try. Hey Jess, there's still one bar left. Great.
Whoa.
I can wash down my chocolate with some more chocolate. Yeah, that's delicious. I feel like I'm gonna get my chocolate real soon.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I was totally right. It's already here. Wow, that's a lot. I'd love to be in Andy's shoes. You already ate your chocolate. Now it's my turn to enjoy. I'm gonna build a whole fortress out of these chocolate bars. Oh my gosh, that looks amazing. Last one's in place. My masterpiece is ready. Now I can try it. Oh, this is just great. Sorry, Andy, but I'm gonna have to destroy your sweet fortress. Wow! The chocolate landed right under my nose. Help yourself. Why is there so little ice cream in this cone? I don't like that. Looks pretty shabby next to mine. What the heck is that? The biggest cone I've ever seen? It's great! Let me get started. Believe me, this won't take long. There's so little ice cream here, I can't even reach it with my tongue. Dang it! I think this is way too hard.
Son of a biscuit eater.
Well, I'm tired of this. It's time to think of something. I think I know a way out. I'll just flip the cone. That wasn't the best idea, Emma. I still can't get any ice cream. Finally got it in my hands, but it doesn't look very good anymore. Well, I'll just be happy with what's left.
Okay.
Munching munchkins.
It's really tasty. I can lick the ice cream and eat the waffle cone. Wow.
Kissy kissy.
Finger looking good. You're really weird sometimes, Emma. I'm just really adaptable. I'm glad that now I can try my own ice cream. Emma, what are you doing? I just wanted to try it. No way, this is my ice cream. But it's so delicious. I can't tear myself away. You've already eaten a whole scoop. That's enough. Don't come near my ice cream again. I'm gonna deal with this myself without your help. It's really delicious. I don't even know which one I like the best. The cone, by the way, is also really good. I'll remember this later. Stop fighting, guys. Life's great. Just look at the ice cream it gave me. This cone is so heavy I can barely hold it. Eat it fast, Susie. You're right, Quentin. The more I eat, the lighter it'll get. If anything, you can always ask me for help. I can handle this on my own, thank you very much. There's no hurry. I'm really gonna enjoy this. It's so delicious.
Baby!
Each scoop is so good. Too bad I only got one scoop. So cold. What's wrong with her? Hey, Susie, how you doing? Oh my gosh, my finger froze. We need to warm her up. I know what'll help us. Let's turn on some hot air. It's so warm, I can feel my body again. Thanks so much, you guys are such great friends. That's for sure, we're a team. That was scary. Hot dog's cool. Mine looks so small compared to yours. That's for sure. Look what Mary got. This is the biggest hot dog I've ever seen. I hope mine at least tastes really good. Oh yeah, it's great. You did that fast, Jess. Now you, Andy. I'm ready. Huh? You're so clumsy. It's not my fault. This stupid hot dog fell apart. I don't want to eat just the bread. I need to think of something so the same thing doesn't happen to me. You're gonna have a hard time, Mary. No big deal. I already found out a way to do it. I just need a bigger bun so I can fit all the hot dogs in it. Yummy! That was brilliant! Why didn't I think of that? Good job! We're really proud of you. Thanks! Need to stretch before we start. I'm ready. Wow, a burger! It's so huge! How lucky! And what do you have, Judy? A huge cake! Not bad, I wouldn't mind trading. Hands off, it's mine. Well, whatever. At least I have a burger. And I'll pour some chocolate on it. Smells just amazing. Weird. The taste isn't great. I really don't like it. I know what's wrong. The toppings don't go well with the chocolate. I need to add those separate. Well, that's all that's left. Just the burger and the lettuce. I can do that fast. Great. Now let's get back to the chocolate. I believe that this will be way tastier. Good for you.
Awesome!
Amazing. This is the best sweet burger in the world.
Yes!
I'm done. Now you.
Come on!
With pleasure. I need to take the cake and put chocolate on it. But it's not as easy as I thought. Fine, I'll start with the caramel. But I have another idea. I need to cut the cake. What a pretty piece. I'll dip it in the fountain. Perfect combination. Treat me, Judy. No. Greedy. Whatever. You'll get what you deserve. I'll add Tabasco to the fountain. Let's see how you like this. I cut a new piece. Why is it so spicy? I'm on fire! It worked! Looks like someone's getting hot. Fire? Well, that's too much. We need to do something. I have an idea. This should help. That cooled me down a lot. Thank you. I wonder what it is this time. It would have been better if I never knew. I hate broccoli. I think I have something more appetizing. Cola! I was right! Wow! Not fair. I could kiss this bottle. It's wonderful.
Okay.
You don't need to be so happy. Sorry, I can't hide my emotions. So refreshing. I almost forgot about the chocolate.
Yes!
Time to make a special cocktail.
What?
It's bubbling cool. Hey, nothing is coming out.
Hey!
Some kind of thick jelly.
Hey, you!
I don't understand what's going on. But it's still tasty.
Awesome!
Wow, this turned out unique. Looks like chocolate jelly. I can't pull myself away. Judy, share with me at least this time. Just what I expected from you. Time to eat broccoli. Fine, I can do this. Doesn't look so good. The taste is also bad. I can't anymore. You need to eat it all. Fine, fine. Look, now I'm gonna put chocolate in the whole thing. And now mix it as much as I can. Happy. Look, I'm eating it. Ew, that looks disgusting.
What?
This is what you wanted. Just look at your stomach.
What?
I'm bloated. I can't hold it anymore.
Uh-oh!
Smelly. That was bad. Sorry.
Oops. Sorry.
Drum roll, please.
Come on!
I feel like this round isn't gonna be easy, but I'm ready. Wow, strawberries. Chili pepper. How terrible.
What?
Finally, you'll be eating something gross. And this time, I'm going to enjoy.
Awesome!
Strawberry and chocolate looks amazing. How tasty. Be careful. Don't throw the stems at me. It looks so pretty. And now it's gonna be even better. Not bad, that was cool. Bravo, Emma. Wow, so many strawberries all at once. Look. Hey, I didn't catch it. Ow, that hurts. This time you lost. Stop laughing and eat your peppers. You didn't need to remind me. I hope with chocolate it won't be that spicy. Whew, wish me luck. My whole mouth is on fire. Help me! Don't breathe on me. I can't control it. I need to drink something now. Ooh, that's much better. Emma, what's with you? You burnt me. Oh no, my strawberries. It's all burnt up. Judy, I'll never forgive you.
Oops.
3, 2, 1, open. Onion. Anything but that. Smells terrible. Chupa Chups, not bad.
Yes!
So big. Someone really didn't get lucky. I can't get the wrapper off. I'll use my teeth.
Come on!
Careful, you almost hit me. Sorry, that was an accident. Enough talking, start.
No, please.
Let me help you. No thanks. I'm scared, but I have to do this. Terrible, I want to spit. Think I feel sorry for you. Don't even dream. I'm crying so hard. Add more. No stopping. So it's like that? Then I want to get this over with. Whoa, I wasn't expecting that from you. I did that. Happy? Now get ready.
What?
Ew, so gross. Don't breathe on me and my Chupa Chups. Hey, it's time to try.
Yes!
chocolate, it's gonna be even better. I'm sure it's tasty. Yeah. Come on faster, Emma.
Hey, come on!
Don't bother me. I'm enjoying myself. I'm starting to nod off. What should I do so I don't fall asleep? Okay, I'm gone.
Bye-bye.
Well, whatever. Bye. Just a little bit left. Emma, are you still here? You're really not done yet.
What?
Judy, I haven't seen you in 100 years. I'm okay. I'm done.
What?
I see you're all ready. And this is your prize! So much soda pop! It can be yours if you try. I already know what to do. Watch out for my ruler! Let's go! I don't think I'm gonna get anything good out of this. I'd better just do this myself. Stupid pencils! Why do they always break? Jess, you're pushing me! Because of that, you ruined my picture! I need to let off some steam. That's better. Now I can continue. I'm sick of this. I need a bigger pencil. They're so cool! I'm falling! Today is not her day. Time's up! Impress me!
What?
So fast! I'm not done yet! Mine's ready! Doesn't look so good, Monica.
No. What?
The second picture is also a failure. But Jess really did her best. Come here, you win! Take this cup and treat yourself. I'll start with the cola. Delicious! Now I'll try the Fanta. Cool! And a little Sprite couldn't hurt. I like it so much, I want it all right now.
What?
Jess, you need to cool your jets. Oh no, the machine is gonna blow up! So wet! Help!
Okay.
At least you're not thirsty. Turn, and another turn. Hey, what are you doing? Don't you want to see the new prize? A whole truck of sweets! Exactly! And it can be yours! I'm ready to fight! Go for it! But all that's here is paint and some water. And this will be mine.
No!
What's this? Let go! That's mine! Ah! You splattered me! That sunny color looks really good on you. Can I have a little?
Hey! What's the matter with you?
Whatever.
What?
At least I got my paint.
Hey!
What should I do? I have an idea! I need really big scissors. Sorry, Jill. I'm gonna need your shirt.
Yeah!
The base of my drawing is done. Stop!
Okay.
I'm ready. What a nightmare. And mine? Looks great. Jess, you also did a good job. reminds me of something. Oh no, that's my shirt! Sorry, I didn't think you would mind. You have a great fantasy, Jess. The prize is yours. So many sweets. I'm gonna start with the chocolates. Time to break this up.
Awesome! What?
Stop! Where are you going? You can say bye-bye to your sweets. No, I'll catch them. I decided to add a little fire to our challenge. It's chili peppers!
Oh no!
It's really spicy. I'm not taking part in this.
Hey! What?
Looks like she lost her nerve. Dummy, you just had to draw a bad picture. Doing it blindfolded will be easy.
Cool! Come on!
Let's start. Red! I'm sure this is terrible.
Oh!
A failure! This painting is amazing! I'll destroy it.
Nom, 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 nom.
Now it's your turn, Jill. I have an idea!
What?
What are you doing?
Yeah!
An airplane! It'll bring back Jess!
Hey!
Why am I here again? Not fair! I'm ready to see your work!
Come on! Hey!
I didn't finish anything.
What?
Me too. I'm ashamed to show my picture. That doesn't look so good. So it's only fair to split the prize among the three of you.
No!
Why bring me into this? I didn't even want to come back. I think it's gonna be hot in here. I'm on fire! Don't breathe on me! Take a look at Zach. This isn't funny. A new hairdo. That's your prize. Thank you. Doesn't look so bad. Time to start. I need more red paint. And I can add some green. Oh no, I'm in trouble. Actually, highlights are really stylish. I don't think this is coming out right. But who cares? At least I'm having fun. I'll add some pink highlights. This color looks good on me. Looks like I'm the only one working. And time's up! Susie, it's time to show your painting. Mine's almost ready. Susie, let's switch. I'll give you the win. Thanks! Great idea! Monica, what are these scribbles? Susie, not bad!
Wow!
You're the winner! I'll give you a new hairdo. Cool, let's start! Almost ready. just need to add some feathers. I was right to give up the win. That looks terrible. Why? That looks good on Susie. Thanks, Andy. I want to eat. I also want a snack. Then you'll like this new prize. This is worth fighting for. Don't even try, Monica. My drawing is almost ready. Andy, look! Oh, what a tough choice. You all have great work. I've got it! Everyone gets a prize! Great idea! Enjoy your meal! Can I have a bite? Of course not!